beef. Alright, so this is another beef stroganoff recipe. The last one was okay, so I wanted to try a different one to see if I could get a little bit better sauce recipe. So we will try out how this one works. You can see the ingredients are similar to the other one, but not exactly the same. I don't remember exactly how much all this cost because I forgot to keep the receipt for it. So like, I don't know, $30? I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. All we gotta do is throw the meat in and then we slow cook it for about 8 hours. So, whoosh. And that is it. You can also mix it up so that it's a little more evenly dispersed. And then at this point, we just cook it on low for about 8 to 10 hours. And then we add in the rest of it. So I will see you tonight. And it is almost done. With about a half hour left, we want to add in our cornstarch and our cheese. I mean, this isn't cheese, but unless. Lastly, we need to cook our pasta. That's easy, so I don't need to show you how. So I will finish this up and I'll see you in a bit. And once again, we are done. We got our noodles ready and we can assemble it together. So let's see how this one compares to the last one. I think this one's pretty good. I kind of messed up the ratio a little bit because it has that option to like change the serving size, so oops. But I think this one's pretty good. So yeah, feel free to try it out.